Hello again, everyone. Since today is Earth Day, I thought that we could do a read aloud called This is the Earth. And this book not only tells us about the earth, but it also tells us different ways that we can respect and take care of our earth. So I thought this would be a fun one to listen to today. I'm going to flip the screen around so you can see the pictures because this one has really cool paintings inside. So keep listening. We're going to read this book together. Feel free to use your pointer power on those words while I'm reading the book, and I hope you enjoy. Today we are looking at This is the Earth, and this book is written by Diane Z. Shore and Jessica Alexander, and those pretty pictures that we're going to look at in here are by Wendell Miner. Here's our pretty earth. This is the land, fertile, alive, crawling with creatures that help it to thrive. This is the river, flowing and free, streaming with fish as it swells to the sea. This is the sky, endless and blue, speckled with birds as they soar into view. This is the earth, washed by the rain, that fills up the creek and spills over the plain, and nurtures the soil, planted with seed, so people can harvest the food that they need, and build houses from stones and from trees cut by hand in the towering forest that shelter the land, that protects and preserves those who tend it with care, as together we live on this earth that we share. This is the spike driven into the ground for the railways connecting the fast-growing town. This is the steamer with coal and with wood, transporting its cargo of people and goods. This is the plane as it roars into flight, stretching its wings and reaching new height. This is the earth, where new buildings rise into towers of steel overshadowing skies, as workers pour roadways of concrete and tar so commuters can travel by bus and by car to the cities for jobs that will pay a fair wage in the fast-moving, busy industrial age. When we build, we expand, we invent, and we dare, and we change how we live on this earth that we share. This is the landfill, a growing gray mound of garbage that steams on the sweltering ground. This is the pipe draining into the sea, spilling out wastewater, muck, and debris. This is the smoke, billowing black, spewing from chimney and factory stacks. This is the earth, polluted by greed, as we take what we want, which is more than we need, where bulldozing trucks clear the rainforest floor and sands wash away from the vanishing shore. Where huge Arctic glaciers melt into the sea, and fumes and exhaust choke the air that we breathe. Endangering nature, creating despair, we forget how to live on this earth that we share. These are the bins, where the bottles and cans and the papers await the recycling vans. This is the bicycle, racing to school. The pedaling rider provides all the fuel. This is the faucet, where every drop counts, releasing the water in careful amounts. This is the earth that we treat with respect, where people and animals interconnect, where we learn to find balance between give and take, and help heal the planet with choices we make. Like walking or biking, not taking the car, or sharing a ride if the journey is far. Unless using less water to get ourselves clean, planting trees in the city to help it grow green. Bringing reusable bags to the store and flipping the switch when we head out the door. Making a difference, becoming aware, together we live on this earth that we share.